Hello viewers, today I have the amped wireless Ally Plus smart business Wi-Fi system that monitors and protects, as you guys can see. I got this actually for a pretty good deal at Micro Center. As you guys can see, price is only $29.99, and it looks like it went through several different price changes. So there's like multiple stickers that just got looks like it just got layered and layered on top of each other. So looks like I went through about 4 different price changes. So there's 4 stickers here. I'll go over the actual cost of what it used to be up until this point. And this is just an unboxing video. So if you guys want a review or more thorough of what the capabilities of this router are and maybe a demonstration or something, that will be in the next video, but this is the unboxing experience. So this is what the packaging looks like. Specifically, this is the ALLY21C model. Here are your system requirements and package contents, as well as the technical specifications. So it is a dual band router, and it is capable of various different antenna gains and different signal outputs, so you're able to get like multiple networks created if you really wanted to. So multiple guest networks, multiple 2 GHz, 2.4 GHz, and 5 GHz networks. And it does say it comes with AVG, or at least secured with AVG. It says Wi-Fi wherever you go with, or Wi-Fi you control, I should say, with an app, so you can control that with your phone. However, if you read the reviews on the Ally system from Amp Wireless, you will see a lot of people giving the app a 1-star rating, stating that the app doesn't work. And there are probably reasons why this price is only $30, and I will show you why this is such a low price point, because this thing costs brand new around $200 to $300 depending on where you look. So that's the front of the packaging. Here's the back. It says you can limit what employees see, set online schedules, seamless coverage for the entire business. This is the example of its 15,000 square foot coverage, and this could be used at home as well. Amp Wireless does make an Ally for in-home use as well, but of the different models that they make, the 21C is the highest model that they make of the Ally, and Micro Center sells all 3 models for the same price. So just to put that out there, and I'll show you guys that in a bit. So let's go ahead and open the packaging. So inside, welcome, you're one step closer to smarter, safer Wi-Fi for every inch of your business. Well, not using this for a business, using this for in-home use. That off the side here, we've got our Let's Get Started guide, Ally router, extender, Ethernet cables, power adapters, not in the box, an Android or iOS device, how to set up the extender. So let's see here. Let's go with that. It's like some warranty information. Don't need that. So the Get Started guide says to download the app, create an account, set up your Ally, create your Wi-Fi network, connect devices and explore the app, set up your Ally extender. Here are the status lights, buttons and ports. Here are some questions and answers, so if you have any trouble. And it looks like we should be able to also set it up without using the app. So there's this section right here, which is actually a good thing to know. And also configure advanced settings such as port forwarding or any other reasons why you want to mess with your router. So changing the Wi-Fi name and set up maybe some kind of quality of service or any port blocking, or sorry, not port blocking, but like parental control, so blocking certain MAC addresses, things like that. You can do advanced. So it's good to know that you don't need to have the app to set it up, even though these instructions make it look like you need the app no matter what. But you should be able to do it by a computer connected to the router. Alright, so inside here on the left, looks like we have the extender. So this is what the extender looks like. The LED on the front, here's the top, plastic covering on it. I'll cover up the information here so you guys don't see that, but this is the ALLY21C, so this is the extender. You get their power, your Ethernet port there if you wanted to hardwire to a device, LED on and off switch, and a sync button. You also get your power adapter for the extender. So it says connect this adapter to the yellow power port on the extender. And yes, indeed, that's yellow. So there's that. This side we have the router itself. It's an Ethernet cable plugged in already. So it looks just like the extender. Here are the two devices. Only difference is the back. So if I were to flip this around, here is the router's model number, so R2100K. If I'm gonna unplug this for now, but to compare the two, definitely tell which one's the extender, which one's the router. Router will always have the one that connects to your modem, as well as a couple of Ethernet jacks. So in this case, we got your power, USB for network storage, get your modem plugged there. So plug this to your modem, 3 Ethernet cables or jacks for hardwiring devices, LED on and off switch, and a WPS sync button. So this could be used to sync with the extender, or I assume sometimes you may just connect both in and they'll both connect to each other. Looks like the power adapter is different for the router versus extender, hence why they have these two little tags here. So connect this adapter to the white power port. So they're probably different ratings of power, they're different sizes. Looks like the router, you guys can see that, uses a 12 volt, 2.5 amps. So it's a little over 24 watts, so maybe 25 watt adapter there. And this one is a 12 volt 2 amp. This is a 24 watt adapter. Alright, so router uses a little bit more power. Good to know. And it comes with your blue modem Ethernet cable here. So it says connect this to the modem. And that should be it with the box. The box is now empty. Let's go ahead and go through some of the pricing and all that information. So I will go ahead and just throw everything in here for now. That's the unboxing. Alright, so here's Micro Center's website. We'll go ahead and type in you know what, let's just go to networking, wireless routers. Then we'll go to AMT Wireless, that's the brand. Alright, here are the three ALLY, so AMT Wireless ALLY routers. There's 3 of them. They're all $29.99, which is funny. There are differences between the 3, except that even though one of them is marketed as business, so the 21C is a business rated router, the other 2 are not. Let's go ahead and compare them. So we'll do 3 of those. So you guys can see here that the 2100, which is on the left, or sorry, the AC1900 on the left. There's the 1900 again in the middle, but it's the plus version, and then the one that we have is the 21C on the right. So there's 3 models, different wireless standards. So the 21C is a AC2100 wireless standard. The ALLY21C and the ALLY, there's no other model number for that one. Those 2 are both AC1900s. 2 of them are capable of 15,000 square foot. The other one says not available, which is interesting. They're pretty much the same as far as what the specs are, except for it looks like the speed and maybe coverage wise. So it's kind of a mixed information on the Micro Center page, but they're all $30. It's kind of weird how they're all the same price even though they're different specs. If we move on to the Amped Wireless Ally website, we can see here, this is the Ally section. So we have the whole home smart Wi-Fi system section and the smart business section. Remember, Micro Center has 3 of them for the same price. So let's go ahead and just tap on the 21C, and then we can see its original price when it first came out was probably $330, but now it's marketed as $140. Micro Center has it down for $30 for some reason. So that's kind of a big difference there. So I mean, it could be a good deal because it's for 30 bucks, or it could be a bad deal because there's a reason why it's 30 bucks. So let's do a compare here. And here is Amp Wireless's comparison chart for all the routers. So here's the 21C on the right. Looks like it's the 2100 AC, and it's capable of 15,000 square foot and USB storage support. So it's basically, the only difference is just Wi-Fi speeds. So if you use a lot of devices, then the 21C might be the better deal for you, or the best to pick. Also, if you're gaming, you need a lot of streaming, so you have lots of devices gaming and streaming videos and stuff, then you'll definitely want the highest end, the 21C variant. Otherwise, you may want to go with the in-home one, which is the 91C. So that one's also 1900, is a 1900 AC, so it's not as fast Wi-Fi speed-wise compared to the 21C, the 2100 variant, but you're getting the same specs everywhere else. And then the other 2, the 12B and the R1900, those 2 are just lower end. So those ones are for smaller square footage. So the black one is 8,000 square foot, and it's also at slower speeds. It's at AC 1200 Wi-Fi speeds. And then the R1900 is for even smaller homes, but it's probably because it only has 1 router and not an extender, and comes with 1900 Wi-Fi speeds. But I do know that at Micro Center, for some reason, they also sold the black one. I'm not sure which model it is, but their website doesn't show it. But when I picked it up in the store, they did have the black models available as well. So that's kind of an interesting thing to note if you're in the store. But this particular video is for the 21C model. In case you're wondering about Amazon, Amazon has all 3 as well, right there on the screen. However, only one of them is actually being sold, and the ratings are not that great, as you guys can see. So there's probably a reason why that Micro Center lowered the price down to 30 bucks, probably because it's not being sold that well, and they're probably just trying to get rid of them. So Amazon has it for $123. But this is the 91K model. So give or take, you can read that. The 91K model is the same as the 21C, except for Wi-Fi speeds. That's the only difference between the 2. And that's pretty much it for that. If you look at the Micro Center's ratings, they're probably not that good either. So one of them is 1 star, the other one is 4, the other one has 2. So you guys can read those yourself. But as of this video, $30 is what Micro Center is charging for it, and I'll go over in detail about what the capabilities of each router are in the next video. So the setup will be done in the next video, and that's pretty much it. Give this video a like, leave a comment if you have any questions, and if you have any requests, I'll try to make a video on it. But other than that, thanks for watching.